Hi guys, I'm back. Today I want to show you my unboxing of and my first impression of my Renaisser Pelican K8 keyboard, a combo with a Raphael 530 stylus. I got this for around $135, including the shipping price from United States to my country. I decided to buy this combo because as I already mentioned in my previous Surface keyboard video, because mainly of the price. I don't have a stylus for my Surface Pro 9 yet, so whether I have to buy $145 Microsoft Slim Pen 2, or I choose this no-brainer $135 Renaisser keyboard and stylus combo. Okay, so let's unbox it. Okay, up, see the box up. Okay, the presentation is looks good. There is a, you can see Renaisser brand here, and here's some description. It's designed in Houston, Texas. Okay, and I think it's made in Taiwan, as you can see here. Okay, let's unbox it up. Okay. Okay guys, this is the quick start guide. Okay, we keep that aside. Here is the keyboard itself. Okay, what is that? I don't know. Okay, as you can see. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Here is some kind of some quick user guide too. Okay, and there is a charger included in the box, USB-A to USB Type-C, and here a USB Type-C to Type-C. Okay, there is two cable in the box. Okay, okay, well, let's see with the keyboard up. Okay, this keyboard connect by a Bluetooth and attach magnetically to the surface. I feel there is a nice location for the charging port, as you can see here. Okay, it's some kind of a hidden port, because normally you don't see the charging port at that location. You mostly see it either the left side or the right side, but for this keyboard both sides look very clean. There is no slot. Okay, and I think there is a deep groove here, the deep space here for the pen. To be exact, it's only for the Raphael pen, like a 520, 520C, or 530. Okay, it isn't compatible with a Microsoft Slim Pen 2. This keyboard has a smart power management, means when it is off automatically when you're not using it. The button feel very spacious. I think. Okay, let me find the signature keyboard. Okay, as you can see, the button feel a little bit bigger than the original signature keyboard. Here is the signature keyboard. Okay, as you can see, the layout is pretty similar, but the letter look bigger, the button look bigger, and I think the travel, it seemed to have more travel than the original. Okay, I really like it. It's covered by some kind of soft fabric material, which feel very soft, very good, and very comfortable. As you can see in the front, as you can see the brand here, Renaisser. Okay, I hope it is durable though. We'll see. Okay, so I will use this keyboard for around 1 week, and I will give you all my impression comparing it against a Surface Pro Synergy keyboard. And also I will covering this Raphael 530 stylus for in upcoming separate video. Thank you all, love you all, and I will be back soon.